Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, September 26, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, September 26, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 26, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, September 26, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos. And Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 80 million pesos for September 26, 2023 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, September 26, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.